how to use green screen effect on CapCut. So let's know through this video. First of all, open your CapCut. So here you can either create a new project or you can select the existing project and use on that. So here I am using the green screen in the existing video. So from here you can see the overlay option in the bottom. Tap on that and tap on the add overlay option. After that, swipe to the photos and tap on the green screen that you have saved. And from here adjust the green screen where you want to and tap on the green screen, and in the bottom swipe and look for the cutout option. So here you can see the chroma key option in the bottom corner. Tap on that. From here tap on the color picker and tap on intensity and increase the intensity. So here you can see the color has removed and only the sticker is there. You can also adjust the shadow. Adjusting the shadow intensity makes the sticker clear. So from here you can adjust the sticker, and here you can see the video. So in this way you can use the green screen photos with stickers in your video. So I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more updating tutorial videos like this. If you need any tutorial videos on any topics, don't hesitate to comment down below and let us know. Thank you for watching till the end. Hope to see you guys in the next tutorial video.